everyone, I'm here to describe your student-centered activity on phonemic awareness. This will be your first assignment for the student-centered activity. You will additionally be doing one for phonics. You have two options for this assignment. The first option is for you to brainstorm a literacy game yourself, so come up with one on your own for a phonemic awareness skill. Or the other option is you can take a pre-existing game or activity that is also in phonemic awareness, but you're going to have to make it your own and also provide the citation for the game. This assignment is going to be worth 15 points. There's different parts to your assignment that you need to include, and there is a point breakdown on Canvas, but I will additionally go through it here. The first 3 points of your assignment, you need to include the game name. If you create it yourself, you need to come up with a game. If you're using a pre-existing game, please write the name of the game that actually exists. Write down the skill you're targeting. So are you targeting, what skill of phonemic awareness are you targeting? Segmenting, blending, perhaps you're targeting working with initial or beginning sounds, middle or medial sounds, or ending sounds. Perhaps you are substituting sounds, replacing sounds. You have to tell me what skill you are having the student work with. Additionally, let me know what age you think this activity would be appropriate for. And additionally, what materials are needed to create your activity or game. Then, for an additional 3 points, you need to give me your detailed instructions or directions. If you're creating the game, you have to come up with all of your own directions. If you are using a game or activity that already exists, you're going to write down the directions that are already there. But you're going to have to make some differences to the game that already exists. So you need to make sure your directions include those differences that you're adding to the game. And then your next 4 points, you're going to talk about similarities and differences from your pre-existing game. So what did you create that's different from the game you found, and what's similar? Or if you're someone who made your own game, you're going to need to write up a paragraph about why you think your game is unique and different than maybe other ones that are out there. Additionally, for 2 points, I need the link or source of your game, if you find one. Or if you create a game yourself, I need to know where, for example, you got words from, or say found other things as well. So you're going to need a citation for that additionally. And then lastly, for your final 3 points, I need a picture, a JPEG of your game activity. You're going to write up this entire assignment in a Word document, and then you're going to insert your JPEG picture, and then I'd like you to convert this into a PDF document, and then you're going to upload it to Canvas. I have provided you with 2 examples on Canvas. With the first one, I'm taking a pre-existing activity from the Florida Center for Reading Research, and I modified it for you as an example. So I talked about what I made different from this game that already exists and what was similar, so you can see what that looks like. And then I added a twist as well. There's also an example online in which a activity has been made up. A race to the top game, it is called, but do note that one is a phonics example, but I still wanted to give you an example of what that might look like, and I've also included the picture of that board game for that race to the top game. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and don't wait till the last minute to try to get your assignment in. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.